Your meta description is that short blurb of text under the title and Google's search results. It's a 155-character sales pitch. It tells people what your page is all about, and it helps them decide one critical thing. Should they click on your result, or someone else's? This single piece of HTML code sits quietly in your page's head section. Most people ignore it completely. This is a huge mistake. While Google has stated that meta descriptions are not a direct ranking factor, their impact is undeniable. A great meta description can skyrocket your click-through rate, or CTR. Think about it. You fight tooth and nail to rank on the first page, but ranking is only half the battle. Once you're there, you have to win the click. Your meta description is your secret weapon in this fight. If it's compelling, it grabs the searcher's attention. It convinces them that your page holds the answer they're looking for. More clicks signal to Google that your page is a great result for that query. Over time, a higher CTR can indirectly lead to better rankings. So, while it doesn't directly boost your position, it absolutely helps you get more traffic from the rankings you already have. So, what happens if you don't write one? Google will. The search engine will pull a snippet of text from your page that it thinks is relevant to the user's query. Here's the deal. People scan search results. They don't read every single word. Their eyes dart across the page looking for a sign a result is worth their time. Front-load your meta description. Put your most important message right at the beginning. Place your main keyword first. Place your strongest benefit first. Example keyword: keto diet breakfast ideas. Put it at the very start. That instantly signals relevance to the searcher. Google is smart. When a search query matches your meta description, Google often bolds those words. Show side-by-side meta descriptions with bolding. Bolded words make your snippet pop. Front-loading the keyword puts bold text where eyes land first. This trick can seriously increase attention. It's a psychological trigger that builds instant relevance and trust. But don't stop at keyword. Add a powerful hook. Start with a question. Start with a surprising statistic. Start with a direct promise. Homepage example. The #1 tool for busy marketers. Save 10+ hours per week on reporting. Product example. Finally, a 100% waterproof backpack. Protect your gear from anything. Early keyword plus compelling hook =a 1-2 punch. A passive meta description is a wasted opportunity. You need to tell the user exactly what you want them to do next. This is where a strong call to action, or CTA, comes in. A CTA transforms your description from a simple summary into a direct command. Instead of just describing what's on the page, you actively invite the user to engage. Using powerful action-oriented verbs is the key. Discover, learn, explore, shop, get, try. They create a sense of urgency and purpose, prompting the user to take the next step. Let's look at some examples. A generic description for a blog post might say, "This article is about writing better emails." It's boring. It's passive. Now let's inject a CTA. Learn 5 simple hacks to write better emails. Read our guide now and get faster replies. See the difference? The second version is active, specific, and tells the user what to do. For an e-commerce product page, instead of "These are our new running shoes," try "Shop our new lightweight running shoes. Get free 2-day shipping on all orders today." The CTA makes the offer tangible and immediate. You can even test different CTAs to see what resonates most with your audience. Here are 3 simple variations you can try. First, buy now and save 20%. Second, start your free trial and see the results. Third, discover the #1 mistake most people make. Over 60% of all Google searches now happen on a mobile device. And this is a fact you cannot ignore when writing your meta descriptions. On a desktop, you have a bit more room to play with, around 155 to 160 characters. On mobile, however, that limit often shrinks to around 120 characters. If your description is too long, your carefully crafted CTA or key benefit will get cut off, completely destroying its impact. The solution is simple. Write for mobile first. Keep your descriptions concise. Place your most critical information at the very beginning. A great way to check is to use a SERP snippet preview tool. Many SEO plugins have this feature built in, like Yoast for WordPress. It lets you see your title, your description on desktop, on mobile. This preview helps you spot truncation issues before you publish. As a rule of thumb, try to get your core message and CTA within the first 120 characters. This ensures even the smallest screens show your snippet fully. Now let's talk about a controversial but effective hack: emojis. Used correctly, an emoji can make your meta description leap off the page. In a sea of plain text, A colorful checkmark star arrow can instantly draw the user's eye. This visual disruption can boost your CTR. However, use them strategically. First, make sure they are relevant to your content and brand. A law firm probably shouldn't use a rocket ship emoji, but a travel blog could. Second, don't overdo it. 1 or 2 well-placed emojis is effective, 5 is just spammy. The key with emojis is to test and monitor. Not all emojis render correctly across devices and browsers. Some may not show up at all. Google can also choose to ignore them. Add an emoji to a few pages, then track CTR in Google Search Console. If clicks lift, keep them, if not, remove them. When used with care, emojis are a simple, free way to gain an edge in crowded search results. Why reinvent the wheel? You can write compelling meta descriptions quickly and effectively by using proven formulas. For a blog post, the What Why Next formula works wonders. What? Learn how to build backlinks. Why? To rank #1 on Google. Next, read our definitive guide now. For a product page, use the Feature Benefit CTA formula. Feature: our headphones have a 30-hour battery. Benefit: so you can listen all week. CTA: shop now and get 20% off. These formulas provide a solid structure every time. Think beyond text. Use schema markup and rich snippets. Schema is code you add to help search engines understand your content.